Okay folks, this is what I'm going to do. I dug me a hole right here and I put me a pole right here. These wheels, I could not get them off, and I changed the tires and everything on it, but I couldn't get these wheels off because they were stuck on the axle. So what I did is I set me up a pole like this right in the ground. I had me a wedge, something like this right here. And I took me a pole, a big pole like this. It don't have to be this big. I just had this handy laying around from one of my logs. And this is the way I done it. Put the pole back there and put the wedge right here with the tapered side up against the tire. Up against the tire like so, and then put the pole behind this and adjust it how you want it. If this is too big or too little or something, then you can adjust that. So it'll work right there, and you take the pole and prise this tire, put it completely with the valve core, stem out and all of that, and it'll just pop right off. Pop right off. And on the inside of the tire, you can do the same thing. You might have to get you a different size little wedge and put your pole right behind that, or either you get you a prize pole, something like this. This is made out of metal, and it works fine. Put it right there and put your little wedge behind it and prise the tire, and bam, it'll come right off, and you got it going on. You can change that tire just like that without taking it off of the rim, because when they stuck on that rim, you got a problem. A lot of times you tear your transmission up beating on that. Hey folks, I had to quit on the lawnmower. I had something else more important to do right for a minute or two. I had to give my squirrel a biscuit. I cooked bread around here for the birds and the squirrels, and it was time for me to give them that biscuit, and I had to do it, and because they come first. And so I got his biscuit out there, and he's having a jolly good old time right now, and there he is up the tree. So I'm gonna get back over there now and finish telling you about the lawnmower. Thank y'all. Sorry about the interruption. I'm trying to get it off that shaft. So the best that don't harm anything there, do it the way I just showed you by putting your pole outside that tire and prise the tire loose on both sides of the rim, on this side and then on the inside. And the rim, the tire come right off the rim. It's not hard at all. Take a little tire tooth and pop it off, clean your rim, and put your other tire right back on the way you took that one off. And do the other one on the other side the same way. Just dig your little hole, put your pole in it, or either put your lawnmower beside something heavy that you can prise against it, which will work good, but a lot of times it won't be as handy as when you put a pole in the ground, because you can kind of adjust that how you want it and give you clearance there to work also. Thank y'all so much for watching my videos, but this is the way you can change them back tires on a lawnmower that's all froze up and you can't get it off the axle. Do it this way, it's no problem at all. And clean your rim after you get it off, and put your little seal on that rim, and a little bit on your bead of your tire, a little soapy water, and it'll pop right back on there, and put your new valve core in there and shoot air to it, and you got it going on. So that might help you in the future. I had to do this in that way. I thought I had to jump the thing out because I couldn't get the wheels off, but I tried and tried, but this really worked just for what I just showed you with that pole. You can prize it loose. Thank y'all again. Talk to you later.